Well, sadly, after the super good news that Eli Tomac is going to be racing both the full motocross and SMX series, we have something from team manager Jeremy Coker saying this crash right here, which you will be seeing now, it has resulted in a thumb injury for Eli Tomac. And that's obviously from early in the main, early in the main event. And it just looks like a nothing crash, but you fall on your hand, you get caught in the handlebars, whatever, and a little bit of a problem. I don't know how bad it is or what, how bad of an injury it is, but it sucks that this is, again, another person right at the end of the supercross season getting an injury. And mind you, this may be a minor thing. It's a bruise or a pull or something, but it's still something that, and let's be honest, probably Eli Tomac's last year racing outdoors. Let's be more than honest. It didn't look like he was even going to do it this year, and I highly doubt that he's going to do it next year if he's had to think about it for this one. It's just one of those things that going into an outdoors where everyone's expecting, oh, here's another top guy going to be racing, hopefully competitive, hopefully racing for wins or podiums and championship contention. Going into the season with an injury is never the way you want to start, and it just sucks that it happens now. The end of the season, one race left to go, I think, 2 races, whatever it is, and it's just a horrible thing because you wanna see him come out and just be fast. After this season or the Supercross season of kinda getting back into contention after the massive injury from last year, to get back up to speed, probably, he was probably fully fit in general because it's Eli Tomac, and I don't think he's ever been unfit, but getting fully back to racing speed and racing competitive speed, and then now having to deal with this, especially outdoors where it's harder, I'd say, let's be honest, harder tracks, more work, and all you need is that extra little bit to be thinking about, worrying about, but hopefully it's fine. I'm gonna knock on wood, knock, 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 that it's just a bruise or something minor that by the time outdoors comes around, it won't even be a problem. But I don't know. I hope it's fine. I hope that's what it is. But in the comments below, you tell me. Obviously, outdoors is coming. Who do you think is going to be the main contenders? Obviously, Jet's going to be up there. Cooper, who who else? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Obviously, 450 and 250. And with that, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does help me a lot. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.